How to fix dry skin. I wrote an article about this a few years back, so I'll link in the description and you can read that article. But I've discovered some new things since then, and so I'm going to talk to you about that here. And I think it's a big missing piece of the puzzle. But number one, you need to eat a healthy diet. Number two, and I'll link to my articles on diet. Number two, don't shower in chlorinated water. That will kill off the healthy flora on your skin. It'll dry out and crack your skin as well. So get a shower filter. You can get it at most hardware stores or order it from Amazon. They're not very expensive and they last 3 to 9 months, and then you can just replace them. They're probably $20 for the replacement filter, and they're easy to install. Number three, take the vitamins that are hard to get from even a healthy diet, and I'll link to my article on that. Number four, scrub your skin scrub your skin hard with a rag without using soap and without using too hot of water every day. This will help to clean out your skin pores, allowing your natural oils to spill onto your skin throughout the day. Soap washes off your natural oils, drying out your skin. Too hot of water will wash off your natural oils. Don't use alcohol, as number five. Don't use alcohol or antibacterial sanitizers on your skin. They will dry the skin and kill your skin's natural flora that is needed to keep the yeast away. Yeast will dry and crack your skin. If you have a yeast problem that's bad, then you're going to have to do some protocols to kill off the yeast, which I'll see. I might have some articles on that. I'll try to link to that as well. Number six, keeping your pores clean with a hard, soapless scrub with a rag daily will allow your natural oils to feed your natural skin flora, creating a thin protective layer of moisturizing natural oils on your skin. It will allow you to swim in a chlorinated pool and will repel the water from your skin, keeping your skin from smelling like chlorine when you get out. So this really isn't the sixth thing to do. I'm just giving you the recap, which keeps the chlorine from damaging and drying out your skin. So I discovered this. So I've got a pool, and last year it seemed like there wasn't that much chlorine in it. I think the pool guy was retiring and he was kind of skimping on the chemicals, but now he sold his business and there's a new guy, and now it smells a little bit more like chlorine. So what I was doing is I was jumping in the shower. Every time I jump in the pool, it's really hot, and I'm going in the pool several times a day. So I thought, well, I'm not going to use soap several times a day. That's just silly. So I just started scrubbing with a rag really hard the chlorine off my skin in the shower, and it was cold water or cooler water because it's so hot. And after about a week of doing this, I realized that I'm not smelling like chlorine after getting out of the pool anymore. The pool still smells like chlorine. The guy's still putting the same amount of chlorine in, but there's actually like a thin layer of natural oils because I've been cleaning my pores out and not washing it off with the soap. And it's like a seal or something where I jump in and the water obviously touches my skin, but it doesn't penetrate past this thin layer of oil. And so I get out and I get dry quickly, and I don't smell like chlorine. It's kind of crazy. So anyway, put the comments below with questions. I'll try to answer those. And please see my Patreon page. I'm trying to write a book, and I would like some support for that if you want. Raised by Reptiles. And thanks.